Hello everyone, I'm back over here, Dr. Subhashri, with my channel Emotions Unplugged, with the same tagline, it's time to speak. Really, it's the time to speak about different issues running in different individual levels. I have been talking and sharing with you about emotional resilience, how melancholy as a gift, how we need to return back, the truthfulness, the hidden secret, different topics I have been sharing, which I find that we need to express, we need to exchange our perception too. Today I have thought of sharing with you about how emotional resilience requires the courage to embrace your deepest vulnerabilities. I repeat, emotional resilience requires the courage to embrace the deepest vulnerabilities. We are easily vulnerable, but the fact is that how much resilient we are to handle those, to tackle those. When we had already also in another episode discussed about emotional resilience, but here I have something different to share with the same concept. True resilience, if you are talking about true resilience, it demands to shield our inner fragility. Means we are very weak actually. By inside within we are very each. We can easily we can be broken. So instead of treating that as a vulnerability, can we treat it as a sacred strength? Why should we easily break down in front of others, bend down in front of others? Can't it be a strength for us? It is the time that we have to dismantle that hollow armor. जो खोखलापन है ना अंदर of emotional perfection. We are saying, we are trying to show that emotionally we are perfect. But now it's the time we have to show that, we have to replace that raw honesty of the self. सही मायने में खुद को honestly prove करना है. That is the raw honesty of the self. हम honest हैं अपने अंदर में, उसको बाहर निकालना है. By embracing those deepest fears actually, we transform our personal pain into a purposeful, mindful foundation which can lead to an authentic growth. Growth is very much essential. But how to transform that? That is again a biggest task in front of us. So, from the very childhood days we have been receiving, we have been listening that resilience is actually acts like a bulletproof. But that is actually a myth, we can say. That is a lie, which actually makes us fragile. Fragile in the sense, easily it breaks us. Easily it breaks us. True emotional strength isn't about building higher walls. What's it about? It's about having that courage to tear down completely. वो जो अंदर का जो fear है ना, उसको पूरा टीयर आउट करना है. हमको मास्क पहनने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कि दूसरों को दिखाना है कि हम कितने अंदर से कितने साहस हैं. नहीं, इसको दिखाना नहीं है. We have to tear out completely. So today at this point we are actually trying to explore the deepest vulnerabilities actually the secret of an unbreakable life. Everyone's life is breaking. So how to make it intact? So we have to, that's why I said ना, we have to stop wearing that hollow armor. वो जो खोखलापन है उसको पहनना नहीं है अब. दूसरों को एक मास्क पहन के दूसरे के अलग आइडेंटिटी बना के दिखाना नहीं है. जो है वो है अंदर में. That emotional perfection, when we are trying to showcase that emotional perfection by wearing an hollow armor, it is actually suffocating our soul from within. खुद को सफोकेट कर रहे हैं, खुद की सैक्रिफाइस कर रहे हैं. इसकी जरूरत ही क्या है? We often hide our fears also. We often. Why? So that we can look strong. But the real growth begins when we embrace that inner raw fragility. जो है अंदर में वो raw है. अगर हम इजीली टूट जाते हैं भी, उसी को एम्ब्रेस करना चाहिए. उसको हमें खुद को दिखाना चाहिए कि ये है मेरी खामियां. वो खामियां को हमें तोड़ना है, वो अभिबंधन को तोड़ना है. सो वी हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट हिडन पेन इनटू अ सैक्रेड फाउंडेशन which can give us an authentic version of our own self. I always believe in one statement. Have the pride of who you are and try to make the better version of your own self. Why to compete with others? Why to show others that I am so and so, I am that and that? Why not to compete with our own self, to drag out that tear out, to shatter all those fears within and make ourselves our own better version of our own. So this is actually a direct challenge. There are few episodes of our past about which we at times we feel that we are ashamed of. But those parts of which we feel that at times we are ashamed of, that is the greatest source of power. That is the greatest source of power. And most people actually run the entire life running from their shadows. But vulnerability is actually the only path to genuine resilience. Genuine resilience. So it's the time we need to stop shielding our heart and use honesty as a catalyst for transformation. Honesty को एक कैटलिस्ट की तरफ लेना है ताकि हम खुद का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर सकें. Today's modern culture actually has mistaken resilience with being unshakable. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग resilient हैं, we can't be broken. It's just like a bulletproof. No. Suppression sometimes disturbs the psychological state and eventually cracks under pressure. वो psychological जो state है ना, वो suppression is creating a pressure within us. So the current strength of we all, this is a challenge actually for we the viewers, you the viewers. It is a challenge that our current strength is actually a form of avoidance. Our current strength. So, different identities, different perception, different individualities moves on with different type of fears also. Energy भी drain होता है, energy drainage होता है. When we go on maintaining a facade of having it all together. अगर आप जिंदगी भर एक खोखलापन में जिएंगे तो उस खोखलेपन को कैसे जिया जाएगा, उसको सोचते सोचते ही आपका सारा एनर्जी ड्रेन हो जाएगा. सो डोंट यू थिंक इट इज एनर्जी ड्रेनेज? So we have to connect the dismantling of the hollow armor. Why? Because that is the first step of genuine self-discovery. हमको खुद को डिस्कवर करना है, genuinely डिस्कवर करना है खुद के बारे में, हमारे अंदर क्या फियर है, उसको हाइड नहीं करना है, उसको स्ट्रेंथ बनाना है, रेजिलिएंट बनाना है. लेकिन दूसरों के सामने एक अलग मास्क पहन के नहीं, जो है वो है. So we have to redefine the vulnerability not as a weakness, but as an ultimate point for emotional intelligence. We have to admit that fear at times allows a real-time problem. Fear allows the real-time problem to solve instead of defensive reaction. Fear actually कभी कभार वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग बन जाता है instead of defensive reactions. So, how this shift in perspective of turning our internal fragility into an adaptable foundation, fragility को एक adaptability mode में transform करना है, यह एक तो shift है. This shift we have to navigate. Why? Because we have to come out of that shadow self. So, we have to process identifying specific fears that have been hiding from. उसको process करना होगा. किस किस fear से हम लोग hide करते हैं, किसको छुपाते हैं. So that can be done by practicing the mindful presence when we are experiencing the deep personal pain or discomfort. So sitting with these emotions actually prevents from controlling our future behavior too. अगर इस emotions को पकड़ के बैठ जाएं उम्र भर, तो ये future behavior को भी बहुत harm करेगा. So we have to integrate these raw truths for a long-term mental growth. अगर long term में एक mental growth चाहिए, तो हमको इंटीग्रेट करना होगा. जो रॉ ट्रूथ फियर अंदर है उसको शैडो नहीं करना है. सो वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट एम्फसाइजिंग द कनेक्शन बिटवीन ऑनेस्टी and the ability to form deeper social bonds. That is very important. We have to connect. We have to connect honesty with the social bonds. So for this, courage is essential because courage has the power to transform our past suffering into a purposeful roadmap for life. Last episode में भी मैं बोली थी, मेलानकली एक तो गिफ्ट है. वो जो पास्ट सफरिंग है, जो गुजर चुके हैं, उतना करेज निकालना होगा कि उस पास्ट सफरिंग को हमको एक पर्पसफुल रोड मैप बना के चलना है. सो आई थिंक टुडेज टॉपिक हैज डिफरेंट सब टॉपिक्स टू, which I would like to share with you all as you are the viewers, my regular viewers. So जो hidden strength, उसको really unplug करना है. मेरा जो channel बोलता है ना, emotions unplugged, उस hidden strength in today's day is being vulnerable, emotions unplugged. So weakness actually a greatest power है. वीकनेस को कुछ कम मत सोचिए, वो एक तो ग्रेटेस्ट पावर है. एंड दिस इमोशनल रेजिलियंस इज एक्चुअली द सीक्रेट टू सर्वाइव द लाइफ्स हार्डेस्ट मोमेंट्स और द चैलेंजेस. एंड वी हैव द करेज टू फील दैट. वी हैव द करेज टू फील दैट. व्हाई वी हाइड आवर डीपेस्ट ट्रूथ्स. Very soon, connecting to this episode, I might come with some other subtopics with emotional resilience, how to make weakness as the greatest power. But till then, don't forget to watch my video, give your comments, your like, your subscription obviously for my channel Emotions Unplugged. But stay safe, stay healthy, be calm, be positive, use your mindfulness as a strength, and stay tuned to my channel Emotions Unplugged. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.